So good morning, Akash. How are you?
So fine.
Okay. Introduce about yourself.
My name is Akash. I attended Sainik, Navodaya and RMS exams. I took coaching here and it was so easy for me. After taking coaching, I felt like it was better learning here and I was understanding the things which teacher taught me, and teachers helped me throughout the journey, and they taught how to solve problems, and they taught anything which we could not understand.
Okay. What was your motivation? So why you want to write Sainik exams?
Sir, my motivation was to qualify in exam and want to become a army officer.
Okay. So how did you come to know about Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
Sir, that my once when we were going, my mother brought me and made me join.
Okay. So which was your favorite teacher? Who was your favorite teacher?
Honestly, ma'am.
Anushri ma'am, why?
Ma'am, sir, because she was like helping us, and when we had doubt, she was promoting us, and if we had doubt, she helped us and taught everyone whatever they want. And if we stuck somewhere, and she was helping us throughout that.
Okay. How was your preparation in Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
Sir, I felt like that it was so easy to pass the exam, because first when I joined, it was so hard for me to solve the questions. But after taking coaching for some months, and I felt like easy.
Okay. So in the month of December, we conducted mock exams. So how was the mock exams and test was helpful for you?
Yes, sir. Like I thought how the exams would be, and how tough or easy the questions would be.
Okay. So in home, so at what time is to wake up? Explain your routine for during the preparation of Sainik exam.
The morning I was used to wake up at 5:30
Okay.
and read till 6:30 and go to school. After that, 4 o'clock I used to come. After going from tuition, I was reading till 10 o'clock, and then again wake up.
Okay. Which subject you felt very difficult?
Maths
Maths
and
is
GK.
GK. Okay. So as you told me, Anushri ma'am was your favorite
Yes.
teacher in mathematics. How about GK?
GK, like I was stuck in understanding the concepts,
Okay.
and ma'am used to explain us where we were stuck.
Okay. So what was your experience in the examination center? So we visited the examination center, right? So how was your experience there?
Sir, there when I went, I felt nervous, but afterwards it was familiar. And when I got the question paper, like I was confused, and after I checked the question paper, I felt easy and confident and wrote.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಅವನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಸಂಜೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆದ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇದ್ದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಟನ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ನೀವೇ ಕಳಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅವನಿಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸರ್,
ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್. ಈಗ ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇದು ಆರ್ಮಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಕಡೆನೇ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು?
ಸರ್,
ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ನೀನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ, ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
ಸರ್, to concentrate and learn, and when they were stuck, ask the teacher right then there, and do not feel nervous while writing the exam.
Okay. So any other ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Sir, in home they have to read properly using their concentration so that they would understand the concepts very easily. And if they didn't get anything, they have to ask their elders and know about whatever means know about the story or the explanation behind it in GK.
Okay. You tell me what were the major mistakes you did?
Sir, like what I did was I thought it was easy and wrote fast exams and finished. But then after writing exam, I realized that there was a mistake in it. But knowing also I did the mistake, so they have to be slow and confident before writing.
Okay. Okay. So once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So ನೀನು ಏನೇ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡು.